All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And over the past couple of days, I have noticed something going on with the transmission in the Shelby GT350. Now, driving at low speeds, I have experienced my third gear actually popping out and going into neutral. This typically happens the first couple of minutes I start driving, and then if I park the car and then start driving again, it'll happen. But for the most part after that, it doesn't. Now, I have an idea on what could be possibly causing this. Let me know down in the comment section what you possibly think. Now, I have an idea that it could be either the input shaft bearing is going bad, the input shaft itself, or maybe something is going on with that third gear synchro. I've not done a hit. This has not happened actually after doing a hit, because I've not done a hit in this car in over 2 weeks. So I'm pretty concerned, but at the same time, the only way to figure out what's going on is to drive the car and try to get it happening on camera so I can share it with you guys and y'all can help me out. So let's get on the way. Now, it's actually dark outside. I have not been able to go out during the day and the weather's been pretty bad, so we're gonna do it now. Let's get a cold start. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. I gotta go get gas too.
One eternity later.
There. All right, so I'm headed over to the E85 station, and it actually just did it, but again, it's at low speeds, and it's honestly kind of like at like lugging speed technically, and I think it's actually like drizzling a little bit, which is actually really annoying because it wasn't raining all day, or at least for the past few hours. Dried up, and as soon as I take the car out, it starts to rain. Cool, but it was like 20 mile an hour. I put in the third gear. Obviously I'm still like in the neighborhood, so I'm not really trying to make a lot of noise, and it like went from like third and then went to neutral, but there was like no grinding noise, obviously. Otherwise I'd be making a completely different video. But let me know if you guys experience something like this. This car does have a Calimer Stage 3 3160 with the billet gear sets, so I don't know if that's something that happens at like lugging speed sometimes. Again, this is like the first time that I'm actually kind of noticing the transmission do that, and it's like third gear where it will just kind of pop out of third gear. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it to happen again, even though I kind of don't want to see it happen again, but I'm gonna see if I can try to get it to happen. This transmission was fully broken in, did over 1,000 miles before I did a single hit, single dyno pull, raced the car. Oh yeah, it's starting to rain. Come on, man. Like, I'm not noticing anything, like any vibration. It's funny because I'm trying to get it on camera. I think I have it happening on camera, but I don't want it to happen. But it's around like third gear at 20 mile an hour, just like kind of cruising to get around the neighborhood. So if I have to just like make noise and second, whatever. I sound like such a noob right now, but again, I've never actually experienced something like this. And obviously, like, you know, I race this car, so it's not like I you know, putted around 24/7. gas. And then take the car out again and see and see obviously if it does it. It does it like when I first turn it on, and then it does it again like after I turn it off and then start driving again. What the hell is going on right here? These two tow trucks are just flying. Ah, damn, bro, those dudes were flying. Alrighty. Damn, E85 is kind of going back up too. Shit is 279, man. Like, let me know if y'all hear anything like inside the car. I'm gonna kind of pull off my GoPro right now. Okay, that kind of nut noise that stopped when I pressed my clutch in. I don't know. What do you guys think? Definitely can. Like, it sounds like something's spinning in the transmission, like freely. Turn it off. I think I can hear something. Like, it sounds like a bearing or something like that in the trans. Huh. Let me get some gas and then take the car out again. All right. Go ahead and get a little drive.
Sync has connected your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
Okay. I mean, technically it did it once, but it didn't do it after I turned it off and turned it back on. Part of me wants to honestly, like, I want to like do like a third gear roll in just to see how it feels, or at least downshift it to like third gear at like 60 mile an hour, just to see like if I feel any like vibration or something like that. Like I said, let me know if any of you guys have experienced this before, because obviously like when you want to show something on camera, it doesn't happen. It's like, I bet you I take this car out tomorrow, it's gonna do it. Like it did before I cut my GoPro on. Like, what the fuck? Downshifting, shifting, just going through the gears is not a problem, which is a good thing. If it was like, if I was getting resistance, then yeah, I'd be like, oh, something's not right. Because those two stock transmissions, like once I started to get like resistance, like trying to get the car like out of a gear to put into neutral, that's when I knew that was what was causing those transmissions to fail. And something was going wrong internally. Obviously that was after the damn fact, but it happened once, happened twice. Getting beat up on. It's like,